We are pleased to show you
The 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than
45,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.